This weekend outing is what I've been looking forward to this whole week. The flat tire could have ruined this whole thing, but luckily, I've got a Norshire portable air compressor. It is easy to store and can be placed anywhere in the car. The strong motor of up to 30,000 rounds per minute and the high-pressure propulsion system of 10 bars allow it to inflate tires of sedans, SUVs, and even trucks. Norshire features a self-illuminating dot mattress, OLED display with capacitive touch. This smart device monitors the tire pressure real-time and stops automatically when it reaches the preset value. When the batteries run out, it also can be powered directly from a 12-volt power supply, such as the cigarette lighter socket. Norshire also has more uses. When it comes to inflating a bicycle, Norshire also makes everything easy and reliable. Want to inflate your basketball? Norshire can inflate your basketball fast and full and will allow you to more focus on sports. Enjoy the quiet lake and inflate the kayak with Norshire. This will make you feel relaxed. It's that simple. With a Norshire portable air pump, you don't have to worry about the various devices being affected by the lack of air. Norshire, one kit for every car owner.